pagkaalam ni Jordan, pero akala na patok na kaming lahat. At dito kami sa may system to surprise him! Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday again, and I'm so happy for you because in this past almost 1 year na tayo kasama sa taping. Ang laki na, in leaps and bounds ang naging mo, yung acting ability mo, yung image mo, yung aura has really changed, and I'm really happy to see you that way, and I wish for you more success in the future. Don't ever forget this experience you had as a happy birthday.
Malaking regalo na yan para sa akin. Sabi guys, thank you to referees!